When it comes to renovating your home, it can be difficult to decide where to put your money. While you might want to make updates that reflect your personal style, it's important to also consider which renovations will add the most value to your home. So here are the top 4 renovations to add value to your home. Number 1, adding square footage. The best way to add value to your home is to increase the legal permitted square footage. I have to say permitted because there are those of you that don't get permits and want the appraiser to count it. You know who you are. So homes are valued in dollars per square foot. You'll force appreciation this way. So adding a permitted bonus room, extra bedroom, or living area will appeal to those that want a larger home. Number 2, kitchen renovations. A well-designed kitchen can greatly increase the value of your home. Updating cabinets, countertops, and appliances can make a big difference in the overall look and functionality in the space. Okay. Number 3, bathroom renovations. Like kitchens, bathrooms are also a major selling point for potential buyers. Updating the bathroom tile, vanity, and fixtures can give the room a fresh and modern look. Adding a double vanity or a walk-in shower can also be appealing to buyers. And number 4, landscaping and curb appeal. First impressions are everything, and the exterior of your home is the first thing that potential buyers will see. So planting a few trees or flowers or adding a small garden always adds character and charm to your home. Investing in a new front door or repainting the exterior can also make a big impact. So it's always a good idea to consult with a real estate agent or a home appraiser to determine what renovations will add the most value to your home. When considering a renovation, it's important to keep in mind that the goal is not to only increase the value of your home, but also to make it more livable and comfortable for you and your family. So by focusing on these top 4 renovations, you can be confident that you're making smart investments in your home that will ultimately pay off in the long run. So as always, it's my job to make this process as stress-free as possible. And if you have any questions on this topic or just looking to buy or sell, I'm here to help. My contact information is below, and thanks for watching.